Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You need an elevated shell. Start now by running PowerShell or CMD as administrator. Once open, check your Chocolatey Plus version with Choco V and confirm license status. Export your installed package list to a CSV or JSON so you can restore if needed. Make sure to stop any conflicting installs or package managers before proceeding. This prevents locked files. Once done, update the Chocolatey client and add any required sources or API keys for Chocolatey Plus access. Now run a safe, controlled upgrade sequence. First refresh and verify package sources with Choco source list. Add or update the Chocolatey Plus feed and API key if required. Next, execute Choco upgrade Chocolatey * prelimit output to pull the latest Plus components. Use force only when necessary. Watch the console output closely for dependency conflicts, prompts, or blocked services. If an interactive prompt appears, respond deliberately, otherwise capture the log for review. This ensures the core components and extensions update correctly. Finish by verifying the update. Run Choco V and Choco list local only to confirm new builds and extensions. Once verified, restart any impacted services or reboot the machine when installers indicate they need it. Clean up temp files and run Choco outdated to ensure everything is current. If something goes wrong, the key troubleshooting step is to restore from your exported package list, and then run a targeted Choco uninstall followed by Choco install for the failing package. This resolves broken installs about 90% of the time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.